Hello there and welcome to another video. So today we're making a graving system. So go in here, create your item. I use a key. So now we can start. When green flag click forever, actually no. When green flag click forever, if touching player whatever your sprite is named with, then repeat until key space pressed or any key. Go to player. Move it out of the way and make a simple optimized pointer. And as you can see, we have a graving system, but only with one item. Later on, I can make an inventory. So that's how you make a graving system. It's that easy. So bye.